Congress Working Committee CWC member Gaikangam today stated that the people still have trust in Congress. Gaikangam accused BJP of being a double-standard party which is running a communal government. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today organized a one-day joint session of President, DCCs, Presidents and BCCs at Congress Bhavan in Imphal. Speaking at the event, Gaikangam further ridiculed the Saffron party, calling it a bubble. He said that the BJP will not last long as the party believes in one country, one religion theory. Manipur Social Welfare Minister Okram Henry today expressed dismay over some people taking human trafficking as a good business. He said that among 2.7 crore individuals in India, 80% of women and children are victims of human trafficking. Henry stressed on the need to take care of children and youngsters considering the rise of human trafficking. He called on everyone to work together to combat the menace of human trafficking. The 40th Annual State Exhibition of Art kick-off today at Directorate of Art and Culture Complex Palace Compound. The 5-day exhibition is organized by Manipur State Kala Academy Art and Culture Commissioner M. Joy Singh, IAS and Manipur State Kala Academy awardee Aribam Joy Chandra Sharma were present on the opening day. 33 artists are showcasing 40 artistic works in the exhibition. In the second consignment of COVID-19 vaccine, 48,000 doses arrived at the Imphal International today. Additional Chief Secretary of Manipur Government P. Baifei received the vaccines at the airport today. So far, the state has received 102,000 COVID-19 vaccines. Welcoming the state government decision to reopen school and colleges from January 27, Lilong Haurebi College Alumni Association has carried out a cleanliness program at Lilong Haurebi College today. In connection to this, President of the Alumni Association, Mohammad Nasir, appealed to the students to come to attend the college as usual without any hesitation, as they have already sanitized and cleaned the college campus before resuming the classes. 12th Battalion NDRF Doimuk Arunachal Pradesh Station at 2nd MR Imphal West under the command of ASI GD KH Badal Singh carried out a COVID-19 awareness program at Lilong Bazaar today. Awareness on behavior, demonstration on hand washing technique were part of the program. Union Home Minister of India Amit Shah will chair the 69th plenary session of North-Eastern Council to be held in Shillong, Meghalaya on January 23-24. Additionally, the meeting would be attended by the MOS, Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region and Vice Chairman Dr. Jitender Singh and members of NEC consisting of the governors and chief ministers of the 8 North-Eastern states and other members. MOS Independent Charge Donor Dr. Jitender Singh today held a meeting with senior officers of MDONA and NEC in New Delhi to review the preparedness and modalities for the 69th plenary session of NEC at Shillong. Around 1,000 doses of the Covishield vaccine were found damaged at the Silchar Medical College and Hospital in Assam's Kasar district. The vaccine doses were found lying frozen in the vaccine store unit of SMCH. According to reports, about 100 vials of Covishield vaccine containing 1,000 doses were stored at sub-zero temperatures. The Covishield vaccine required to be stored at the temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, but the temperature of the ILR at Silchar Medical College and Hospital went below zero. India today started the supply of COVID-19 vaccine under grant assistance to Bhutan, Maldives, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar and Seychelles. News agency ANI reported that the first consignment of 1.5 lakh doses of Covishield vaccine were dispatched from Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport to Thimphu in Bhutan. In a tweet, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said India is deeply honored to be a long-trusted partner in meeting the healthcare needs of the global community and that supplies of the vaccines to several countries will commence today and more will follow in the days ahead. With 13,823 infections reported in a day, India's COVID-19 caseload rose to 105 crore, while the recovery surged to 1.02 crore, the Union Health Ministry said today. The death toll due to the disease increased to 152,718 in the country, as 162 new fatalities were recorded, the ministry data updated at 8 a.m. showed. The total number of people who have recuperated from the disease surged to 1.02 crore, pushing the national COVID-19 recovery rate to 96.70%. The COVID-19 case fatality rate stands at 1.44%, reports said. The active caseload remained below 3 lakh. There are 1,97,201 active coronavirus infections in the country, which comprises 1.86% of the total caseload, the data stated.